Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cucumber leaves. First, select young, tender cucumber leaves for the best culinary experience. Look for vibrant green leaves without any yellowing or damage. Next, it's crucial to wash them thoroughly under cool, running water. This step helps remove any dirt, dust, or potential residues. Finally, before you start cooking, remember to trim off any tough stems or discolored sections. These simple preparation steps ensure your cucumber leaves are ready for delicious cooking. Once your cucumber leaves are clean, you have several easy cooking options. A popular method is blanching them in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes. This softens the leaves and can reduce any slight bitterness. Alternatively, you can sauté them quickly in a pan with a little olive oil and minced garlic for a savory side dish. Another excellent choice is steaming them for approximately 5 minutes, which helps retain their nutrients and offers a very mild, fresh flavor. Experiment to find your favorite preparation. Cucumber leaves are incredibly versatile and pair wonderfully with many flavors. They complement citrus notes, like a squeeze of lemon or lime, and also work well with a hint of ginger or a dash of light soy sauce. You can easily incorporate them into your favorite stir-fries, adding a fresh, green element. They also make a fantastic addition to light soups or can even be used as a unique, tender green in salads. For a simple side, try wilting them with a touch of sesame oil and a pinch of salt. Beyond their unique taste, cucumber leaves offer some great nutritional benefits. They are a good source of essential vitamins, including vitamin K and vitamin C, which are important for overall health. Additionally, they contain antioxidants, contributing to your well-being. So, don't hesitate to enjoy these leaves as a unique and nutritious addition to your meals. Experiment with different seasonings and cooking methods to discover your favorite way to prepare them. They are a delightful and healthy green to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.